Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Blade L7, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, you can unlock the device if it's unlocked right now, and you want to pull off the cover, and you have a little pull tab right here. So basically the cover will come off all around. Just make sure that you're not pulling too hard so the cover won't break, it's just plastic. And from here, you have access to the SIM trays, as you can see right here on both sides, so left and right. And you can slide in the SIM like so, with the cutout on the bottom left corner. And it's the second smallest size, just so it's FYI. And now if you want to put in the memory card, you will actually need to take out the battery. If you're just putting the SIM in there, you don't. Now the question is though, let me just check quickly. So if you put in a SIM card, you don't even need to reset the device, so it will automatically recognize it. But if you want to put in the memory card, like I said, you will have to take out the battery, which will shut off the device. So once you take it out, you can just simply slide it in here like so, as you can see, and put back the battery. And now we'll have to actually wait for the device to boot back up. So let's hold the power key. And you can see that there's the SIM card requiring pin, so we put that in here, assuming the phone doesn't lock. What's happening? Not sure if the battery is becoming loose or something. Let's try that again. As you can see now, SIM card is working and SD card as well. So that is how you would insert the SIM and SD card into the device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.